welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'll be doing a review and unboxing on this Dell monitor. As you guys can see, I have a game on this monitor that I'm playing on my PC just to show you guys can game on a budget. It's not impossible. Of course, it's a 100Hz monitor, so the refresh rate might not be as high as other monitors out there, but it still gets the job done perfectly. This is how the box looks for everybody that want to watch the unboxing. I'm more than happy to do it for you guys, so you guys don't actually have to buy the monitor if you don't like it. But personally, we will get into the unboxing and we'll find out. If you open up the box, you're immediately greeted with a bunch of items, as you guys can see, from the stand to the cables and of course these papers. So we are going to open up this paper over here. Now usually in here it's probably like some instructions or some power options or something like that, but we'll have a look at this. Oh yeah, there you go. As you guys can see, energy ratings already, we see that. That's always nice to have this. As you guys can see, it's not very it's energy efficient, it's not very heavy on power usage. Over here you guys can see is the bottom base of the stand for this monitor. So we're just going to get through all of this completely really fast, just because it's not a very expensive monitor. So I just want you guys to basically not feel like this video is boring or anything. I just want to get to the point as fast as possible. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. This is just the HDMI cable. It's pretty long and it looks like high quality. That is included, by the way. And over here is another part of the stand. So yeah, we're going to unbox this as well. And yeah, this is how it looks. I see there is a piece for some cable management, and then you probably have a little bit of adjustment for the monitor on that part, as you guys could see there. Then this is just like the instructions or something. Then over here guys is of course the power port. So there is actually no power brick or anything. It's just a power cord like that, and it plugs directly into the monitor. But guys, this is the moment of truth. We're going to unbox the monitor screen, and you guys can basically see how this 24-inch screen looks. I personally really like it. It looks pretty good so far, and just by seeing it through the paper. But the back looks good as well. Oh, and there is a lot of like space for a VESA mount. That's good if you want to use a monitor arm later on. Over here is the monitor from the front, or the screen, as you guys can see. And we are just going to place it on this soft mouse pad. Then we're going to place it face down very gently so it does not scratch. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to attach the stand, because obviously it's gonna be a guide tutorial as well. You just basically click this part into the base, and this part over here goes into this part over here of this monitor. Now you guys are just gonna slide this in, and you guys will hear a gentle click. So yeah, it's pretty easy, and there you go. Now you have a stand that's on your monitor. It's that easy. So right now guys, I'm also going to quickly show you guys how to install the cables. This is the HDMI cable. As you guys can see, there is also a VGA port over there for if you guys have older PCs. Over here, the HDMI cable is just gonna plug in like so. And then of course guys, we are also going to plug in the power cable. So no power brick, that just goes directly into the monitor, as you guys can see over here at the back, and you basically just plug that in there. And that's basically all it is for the cables for this monitor. And I do not see a 3.5mm jack, so I do not think there is one of those. You're gonna basically have to rely on your console audio through a controller or PC audio. But over here you guys can see is the monitor on my desk. It looks good. Over here I just have a fast video over here from Relaxation Foam. Credit to them, by the way, for the video. So over here you guys can see is a nice ocean view of the ocean, or some clownfish over there. You guys can just take a look at the quality of the monitor. Then we have some anime over here. This is Demon Slayer over here guys, and I'm just giving credit to everybody just so this doesn't get any problems. But as you guys can see, also very clear if you guys are consuming any kind of entertainment or whatever. So yeah, also pretty good. And this is how it looks on your desk. Of course, this is the second time of showing you guys, but let's get into some gaming actually. And yeah, I basically have some LEDs back there, a very clean type of vibe, just to show you guys how good the game is on here. And now guys, I would actually recommend using this for your second monitor, or if you guys are very tight on a budget and you guys want to upgrade from a very old monitor, okay? Because this isn't very like, I don't know, I wouldn't say this is like a very good option if you guys are heavy into gaming. Maybe save up for something later. Oh, the exposure of the camera just basically darkened over there, so just excuse that. But yeah, we're also going to test out some dark scenes over here. Let's quickly see if we can. Dark scenes is pretty good. Of course, your contrast ratio isn't that good on this monitor, but I mean, nothing too much to complain about, guys. For this price range, it's like about $90. It's not that bad. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this review and unboxing. It's a very quick one. We'll do another review in a month or so, or maybe a few months, so I can give you guys an honest feedback of this monitor. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this, guys. I'll also see you guys in the next one. Of course, I also reviewed another Dell monitor down here in the right side corner, sorry, in the right side corner of the screen right now. You guys can go check out that video. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.